Bunny is a country called Eswatini here. So pouring petrol, and the town is here. It's very quiet because today it's Sunday, and you can see the mountains that side and some residents. No, I need to check oil. Check the oil, yeah, please. So we have to check the oil and check the tires. Yeah. But you can go to South Africa from here. I'll just show you. You see, you can go to South Africa here. South Africa. Huh?
Only the oil.
Yeah, check the oil. Let me just check the water. Yeah, water seems to be fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Then it's just the oil.
So the oil is okay.
Oil is okay.
See?
Oh, 1 pint.
Wait, so I know it's just
Okay,
Because
okay.
too much is dangerous.
It's dangerous, right? Shut it. Yeah, thank you so much. Too much oil is dangerous. Okay.
You may not drive well.
No, okay. Should I check the tires or they're fine?
Okay.
Tires okay, right? Yeah, they seem to be fine, I think. What do you think? I think so.
Yeah, it's fine.
What do you think? Or should we just balance them?
Let me check. How much?
It's 230, but I usually put 250 because of, yeah, you know. All right, cool. Also, I can smell it. It's what? The oil.
You want put
Yeah,
the gas?
yeah.
Where?
That one straight. With that balcony. We're in the new place. Let me show you. Kitchen.
fold dance.
Huh?
Wash and fold. Not iron.
You have to iron like. So the 65 is what?
It's wash and fold.
Wash and fold. No, no ironing. How much is ironing?
Wash and iron is expensive.
Oh,
That's
let's just make it. Yeah, fold. It's okay. So okay, 65, right? 62. 62. Okay, let me just. Huh? Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll give you the number. 62. 62.
Yes.
62.
How much?
62. And my number.
How you can call this? They open
They're ready
again.
to open the door. Okay, nice bedroom, nice bathroom. Here. So this is the bathroom. Beautiful place. You need to close the windows because it's cold here. Cold, very cold. Yes. Wow. Let's go to our room. And this is the baby that I drive with to all the countries I go to. We're in Eswatini once again. Beautiful country, unbelievable. I've been to many countries, but this one, super amazing. This African country is so beautiful. Wow. And this country is called Eswatini. No, Eswatini. So I keep calling it. Now we stay here, and there's a mountain just here. That's a kitchen here. Washing, you can wash your things here. Then I have this fridge. Oh. Wow. Beautiful country. Very beautiful country. Yo, here. Wow, beautiful. Ooh. Let's go.
Ở đây là lạnh hơn chỗ nãy chứ không phải là ngoài là ấm hơn.